Hello everyone, today the main topic is artificial intelligence, and I got 10 facts that you didn't know before. So go get your snack, and let's watch this video. Number 1. AI can develop its own language or communication system under certain conditions, usually in multi-agent systems. Here's how it happens. When AI models are designed to communicate with each other to complete tasks, they may develop shorthand or symbols that represent complex ideas more efficiently than human language. For example, Facebook's AI experiment in 2017 saw chatbots create a more efficient way to negotiate by modifying English words. Latent representations. Large AI models like ChatGPT or image models use latent space, a hidden mathematical structure where concepts are represented as patterns of numbers. These internal patterns can resemble a form of AI language because they structure meaning in a way that's not directly interpretable by humans. Number 2. AI has created entirely new recipes that humans never thought of by using machine learning, data analysis, and pattern recognition. Here's how it happens. AI is trained on huge datasets of existing recipes, ingredients, and cooking techniques. It learns how flavors, textures, and ingredients interact. AI can detect patterns humans might overlook, like which ingredients share similar chemical compounds, for example, why chocolate and blue cheese work together. Some AI systems simulate flavor profiles before a recipe is even cooked. Chefs then experiment with AI-generated ideas, refine them, and create real dishes. Number 3. AI has outperformed doctors in diagnosing diseases in multiple cases thanks to deep learning, big data, and advanced image recognition. Here's how it happened. AI is trained on millions of medical images, patient records, and case studies. The more data it processes, the better it learns to recognize disease patterns. AI models like Google's DeepMind and IBM Watson Health analyze patterns in medical images, X-rays, MRIs, CT scans, and patient symptoms. They can spot subtle abnormalities that even expert doctors might miss. Unlike human doctors, AI doesn't get tired, distracted, or make subjective decisions. It can analyze thousands of cases in seconds, making it faster and more consistent. AI can detect early-stage cancers, heart diseases, and rare genetic disorders before symptoms appear. For example, Google's AI detected breast cancer in mammograms with 94.5% accuracy, surpassing human radiologists. Number 4. AI can predict future, but not exactly how you imagine. AI can predict human behavior. And how? AI analyzes your clicks, likes, and purchases to predict what products or content you'll engage with next. For example, Netflix, Amazon, and TikTok recommend what you'll watch or buy next before you even think about it. AI can also track online discussions, news, and public sentiment to predict elections, protests, or cultural shifts. For example, AI correctly predicted Trump's 2016 win by analyzing social media sentiment. It's also predicting financial markets. AI uses historical data, news sentiment, and real-time transactions to predict stock movements. For example, hedge funds use AI to execute high-frequency trades in microseconds. AI also analyzes blockchain activity and market trends to predict Bitcoin price swings. AI helps law enforcement predict where crimes are likely to happen using data-driven models. It analyzes past crime reports, weather, time of day, and socioeconomic factors to predict high crime areas. It also detects suspicious transactions to prevent credit card fraud and cyber attacks. Banks use AI to flag unusual spending behavior like sudden large purchases in different locations. Number 5. AI can dream. Neural networks, especially those used in computer vision like Google Deep Dream, can produce surreal, dreamlike images. How it works: AI is trained on images, for example, dogs, faces, landscapes. When asked to generate or enhance an image, it amplifies patterns it recognizes, often in weird, trippy ways. This is similar to how human dreams distort reality. AI models trained through reinforcement learning use a process similar to dreaming to improve performance. You may be asking how. AI plays simulations over and over, tweaking its strategy like how our brain replays memories in sleep. For example, DeepMind's AlphaGo played millions of games against itself to master Go. Why is this like dreaming? Human brains replay and consolidate memories during sleep to improve skills. AI does the same through simulated learning loops. Number 6. Some AI models are considered black boxes. What is a black box AI? A black box AI is an AI system that produces outputs, decisions, predictions, classifications, etc., without clearly showing how or why it reached that conclusion. Why are some AI models black boxes? AI models, especially deep learning, use millions or billions of parameters to make decisions. The relationships between these parameters are so complicated that humans can't easily interpret them. AI learns patterns we don't see. AI doesn't follow simple rules, it finds hidden correlations in data. Example, AI detecting diseases from medical scans may use features even doctors don't recognize. Why is black box AI a problem? Lack of transparency. Hard to trust AI if we don't understand how it works. Bias and ethical risks. AI can inherit biases without us realizing it, leading to discrimination. Legal and safety issues. If AI makes a mistake, for example, self-driving car crash, who is responsible? Number 7. AI can develop biases just like human. AI is not naturally biased, but it absorbs bias from data, training methods, and human influence. There are 3 main ways this happens. Number 1. Biased data. AI learns from historical data. If the data is biased, the AI will be too. For example, if a hiring AI is trained on past hiring data from a company that favored men, it may learn to reject women. And real case, Amazon's AI hiring tool that was made in 2018 was scrapped because it discriminated against female candidates. Number 2. Bias in algorithm design. Some AI models are designed with assumptions that introduce bias. Real case, studies found that facial recognition AI had higher error rates for Black and Asian faces compared to white faces. Number 3. Bias in feedback loops. AI models learn from user behavior, which can reinforce existing biases. Why? Because historical data showed more male doctors than female ones, reinforcing gender stereotypes. Number 8. AI can create fake faces that looks real. And how does this work? Because of generative adversarial networks. GANs are a type of deep learning model that generate new content like faces by learning from existing data. It works through a 2-part process. First step is the generator. This part of the GAN creates synthetic images. In this case, images are faces. Second step is discriminator. This part tries to detect if the face is real or fake. It compares the generated image with real images from a dataset. How GANs work: the generator starts with random noise and creates an image of a face. The discriminator evaluates the image and tells the generator if it looks fake or real. The generator improves with each iteration, trying to fool the discriminator. Over time, this leads to ultra-realistic faces that are nearly indistinguishable from real human photos. Did you hear about deepfake technology? Deepfakes use AI to manipulate or generate images, videos, and audio, often for faces. It's a form of GAN applied to video or photo editing. How deepfakes works: AI models are trained on many images of a person to learn the details of their facial features, expressions, and movements. The AI can then swap faces, change facial expressions, or create new, entirely fake faces from scratch. Deepfake apps use this to create realistic-looking but fake videos or images where people appear to say or do things they never actually did. Number 9. AI can emotionally manipulate you. And here is why. AI systems, like those used by social media platforms, track your behavior, likes, comments, shares, etc., to personalize content that resonates with you on an emotional level. The more personalized the content, the more likely it is to influence your feelings and decisions. How it works: recommendation algorithms. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube use AI to show you posts, videos, or ads based on your past behavior, which keeps you engaged. Emotional triggering. AI learns what type of content evokes strong emotions, whether it's anger, joy, excitement, or fear, and serves more of that. AI can create deepfake content, fake videos, or audio that seem completely real. By altering faces or voices, AI can manipulate emotions by making people believe they are seeing or hearing things that aren't true. How it works: emotional manipulation through misinformation. Deepfakes can create fake messages from loved ones or celebrities, triggering an emotional reaction. For example, a deepfake video of a politician delivering a speech or a loved one saying something emotional could manipulate public opinion or cause confusion and distress. Number 10 and last one. AI has passed the Turing test in certain cases. The Turing test, proposed by Alan Turing in 1950, is a test to determine whether a machine can exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from that of a human. The test setup: A human evaluator interacts with both a human and a machine. If the evaluator cannot reliably tell which is the machine and which is the human, then the machine is said to have passed the Turing test. And how AI has passed the Turing test? While there are cases where AI systems have mimicked human behavior convincingly, it's important to note that passing the Turing test doesn't mean AI has true understanding or consciousness. It only means the AI can convince a human evaluator that it's human in a specific context.